Today I'm super excited because we are here to talk about the breakthrough innovation of GHD. This innovation has been 9 years in the making. 9 years of working engineers together with marketeers, together with consumers. 9 years of working with professional hairdressers that give input on the design, on how it works, bringing this unique duet style product to life.
We're here in our Cambridge R&D facilities. We're based in Cambridge because Cambridge is a global technology centre.
We work with the engineers and the science team here to test our products in a technical way.
Understanding the effect that our tools are having on the hair itself, through to the quality tests to make sure that we're meeting the GHD exceptionally high quality levels.
The launch of Duet Style is so important because it summarizes more than 20 years journey of GHD.
Duet Style, it's such a fantastic product because it brings together hair drying and styling into one.
The challenge when you're styling hair is to not let it dry out too much. If it dries out too much, then the natural moisture in the environment will come into your hair, will cause it to go back to its natural shape, and you'll notice frizz. Duet Style achieves a phenomenal sleek look.
It's for all hair types and it's for anybody who wants to be able to style and dry their hair at the same time with no damage.
I'm so proud that our teams have created such an amazing product for the market.